UV-activated pantry traps can significantly increase captures of pantry and stored product pests when used correctly. Use a compact ultraviolet pantry trap product designed for indoor food areas and place it on a stable surface 2 to 3 feet above the floor and at least 3 feet away from open food storage to avoid contamination risk. Clean the interior of the trap housing with a mild detergent and dry completely before installing a fresh sticky panel and ultraviolet tube, so adhesives bond and ultraviolet output is optimal. Replace sticky panels and ultraviolet tubes on the schedule the manufacturer specifies, or sooner if you see heavy dust, reduced stickiness, or dim ultraviolet output because degraded panels reduce capture rates and dim ultraviolet light lowers attraction. Check traps weekly for captures and to make sure insects are not accumulating to the point of shedding scales or frass inside the housing, which can contaminate surfaces and reduce ultraviolet efficacy. When discarding captured pests, remove the sticky panel carefully, place it into a sealed plastic bag, and dispose of it in outdoor trash to avoid amateur redistribution of loads back into the pantry. For best results, combine trapping with rigorous food hygiene. Store dry goods in hard plastic or glass containers with tight lids, rotate stock using a first-in, first-out method, and vacuum cracks and crevices where spilled grains or flour accumulate because removing food sources reduces pest pressure and makes traps more effective. Common mistakes include placing traps too close to open food or directly over countertops, which can allow trapped insect fragments to fall into food. Move traps at least 3 feet away and position them where insects travel, such as along walls or near light sources. Another frequent issue is failing to replace ultraviolet tubes or sticky panels, which leads to a false sense of security. Set calendar reminders for replacements and keep spare panels and tubes on hand so maintenance is timely. People also neglect trap housing cleanliness, which lets dust and grease both block ultraviolet output and provide food for pests. Clean housings monthly with a mild detergent and ensure they are fully dry before reassembly to maintain ultraviolet effectiveness and adhesive performance. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical project advice related to pest control and food safety. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange experiences about trap placement, maintenance schedules, and product choices, and contractors can find work leads and share their services.